Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be building a hamster obstacle course. So far this is what I have. It's going to be bigger than this, but so far there's a tunnel leads up to here. And when he goes to here, I may actually have to erase some of that, but we can do this, guys. So I'll put you guys right here. We have a bunch of materials. That we're going to use. And we have to decide what to use and what not to use, because we are going to be making a huge hamster base. And I'm watching one right now. It's a bunch of hamster videos. So I'm getting ideas for it, guys. So yeah, we have to make sure no mistakes happen, because then we have to erase it, and I do not like erasing these mistakes that I'm gonna have to do after this intro. And make sure to subscribe and like the video. Hi guys, so to me that was a long time, but you guys just saw me a little bit ago, but yeah, well, I made some changes to it. I have this right here, which he has to go over this and then go over that. And then over here is the tightrope. So he has to go up here and then walk across that, and then he goes down to there. Not very good, but and then I was thinking I was gonna do this. See? And then it's gonna go this way, and then there's gonna be other obstacles on the other side of that. Yeah, so I made a lot of changes, not just some small changes. But yeah, I will see you guys in a second after I do some more building with this. I have been working on this for hours. Just kidding, for like a couple of minutes, but I did a bunch. So before, you just saw the 2 things he has to go over, and then the little tightrope. Now look, boom! So first he goes right here. He has to get over this hump, go over that hump, over this, walk the tightrope. Go up to this ramp if he can make it, go to there, go down to there, and do this. And in the end, I actually want to see if you guys could have seen that. So I did this, and then you go here, and then you do the tightrope. You go down there, you see that, and then oops. Let's make that stay up. And then the end. Oh yeah. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. Yeah. And watch my Roblox videos, because those need way more views. And by the way, guys, like this video if you want to see my hamster actually doing it. And then it can be a whole different video that's all about Zeus, which is my hamster's name. But then I'll make an even better one. This is just the beginner one, since I just started doing this. So yeah.